subscribe because we're real funny.
Just tell him, el que no suscribe se va a ir al infierno.
El que sabe hacer lo bueno y no lo hace, le es pecado. And if you don't subscribe to this podcast, you know where you're
Everybody,
going.
donate to our GoFundMe.
Tap to give.
Ofrendas.
Sow your seed into our ministerio so that we can
We
get
should
water
do it.
bottles for all the...
Maybe not our first one.
We should do it. Si tú quieres donar,
So we can buy water.
aquí está la página.
Y'all need to donate
If
to
you
us so that
donate
we
under
can buy
100,
mugs.
don't bother.
Microphones.
If you don't have a church to give your diezmos to, here's our cash app.
Manden diezmos.
We're going to put Ruben do that.
Y hermana, estamos vendiendo terrenos en el cielo también. Con palos de mango en el cielo.
Hey, no, real talk though, but we should do an opening prayer because this is a big project.
Yeah, I think we should. All right.
¿Quién quiere dirigir la oración?
Let's do this.
All right, let's
Are
go.
you're more like stronger when it's in Spanish. Are you going to do it in Spanish or English?
I'm going to do it in Chinese.
What?
Hey, that's going to get us canceled.